Right then, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Mondeo ST220. Or at least it's badged as an ST220. Do your own due diligence on that, but it looks like one to me. There it is. Comes with a spare set of wheels across the way there. We'll have a look at them in a moment. In fact, we'll photograph them, save me walking all the way over there. There she is, look. Nice, bright, smart. Straight down this side. Good paint finish. Good round the back. Same up this side. Nice and straight. Good looking old car. Oh, there's the smallest ding just near the fuel filler there. Other than that, from what I can see, looks dead smart, dead straight. Wheels are superb. Let's take a look inside, eh? So, interior. Again, lovely. Seat, good. Tiniest bit of wear within the bolster there, look. Recaros, of course. 114 on the clock. 6-speed box. Headlining's great. Dashboard's nice. There we go, look. Lovely in there. She's there ticking over for us. We need a key to get in the boot. There you go, does work. There you go. Oh my lord, look, she's loaded up with spares. Look at all this lot. Oh wow. Look, from genuine Ford centre caps, look, to car covers, to fan belts, sensors, air filters. Oh my lord, look at that. It's like Christmas all over again. So, I thought it was sat a bit low at the back. Lovely in there, look. Lovely in there, look. I'm not going to lie, it's done its miles extremely well. Extremely well. Hang on. One round that way, then one round that way. Up we go. Lovely and clean in there, look. Brilliant. So, you'd be forgiven for thinking that was a 60,000 mile Mondeo, that. Come down, have a closer look. See you soon.